welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to an apartment tour. I checked that it's 1 year since I made my latest apartment tour video and I realized that it has changed a lot in this apartment since that. So I figured why not make a new one, because I also love seeing these apartment tours myself later on. It's amazing to see how much you can do with the same apartment in such a short time. And most of the things in here I haven't even bought them. It's more about buying maybe some plants, finding things secondhand, finding things in my parents' home. Let's start this video, and I'm just wearing this super casual, let me show you, outfit. Levi's, my dad's old sweater or cardigan, and of course I have woolen socks on in here inside because I'm always freezing. Even though it would be in the middle of the summer, I'm always freezing, so I need to keep my feet warm. First out, we are here where you come inside our apartment. We are renting this apartment, meaning that not everything is like I would love it to be, but I have really tried to make it as cozy as possible and as much as my style as possible, because Juna has nothing to say about the interior in here. Well, let's go to the right, and in here we have our bedroom. And let me just tell you, I haven't cleaned before this video, so it might be a bit dusty in the corners and it might not be perfect, but I still wanted to make this video. This is our bedroom, and I have this quite boho kind of style in here. This is still an ongoing project. I'm not happy with it as it is, but it works until the secondhand stores open again after Corona. So then I will try to fix that. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Try to have a lot of plants in here to make the air fresh. I like it to be light, to feel bigger than it is, because it is quite small. A lot of mirrors to make it look even bigger. And if we check the other side, well, hello, then it looks like this. And a lot of furnitures in here, they are my parents or my grandparents and stuff that I got from home, which I love. This is also an old mirror from home, but as you can see, it's a bit broken and I don't know how to fix that, so let me know if you have any ideas how you can fix this. It's because of some kind of tape on the other side. When we move from the bedroom till here, it looks like this. Round mirror, an old furniture that used to be my dad's. Some more plants. I love plants, so I have, I would say, a lot of them, but still want more. And then let's continue into the living room. And this is what that looks like. A lot of beige colors, a lot of natural colors, greens and shoes. That's the latest corner in here. Some new plants, some new details. This is from my childhood home and I recently changed the fabric on it. I'm so happy with the result. Yeah, you can see some workout stuff in there. This is the bookshelf with a lot of details. Yeah. This is what it looks like. My sofa looked so sad when I checked the old video, so I feel like it's a lot prettier and comfy and cozy at the moment. We have bigger television, do you say that? TV, and a lot of these straws everywhere. I don't know, I have a thing for them, but they makes everything look so much cozier, so love them. This lamp is not something I like, so I would prefer to change it, but haven't found one yet, so still searching. One thing I do love about this apartment is that it is so open between the kitchen and the living room. Or of course it could be more open, but still I love this opening. And this is what our kitchen looks like. And our balcony is not at the moment working as a balcony. It's more like a storage room. So I'm not going to show you that right now, but later on when summer is getting closer, I will and make it pretty again. So this is what it looks like. This is the side of the kitchen that I never show in my picture because, well, it's nothing special about it, and I would never, if I planned a kitchen, I wouldn't leave these kind of the fridge, the dishwasher, I wouldn't leave those seen, I would hide them. But yeah, those are things you just have to live with when you are renting. Some fruit baskets over there. We have the kitchen, the reason why we wanted this apartment. I still love it. We have been here for 7 years now. Still love it. It's so cute and light and actually quite big for being in a small apartment. So I like that. And there we go, some details. More straws, of course. You can't have too much straws in your apartment. Like here in the kitchen, I have straws at 4 places. There we have them at 2 places, actually 3 if you check. No, there wasn't any yet because I'm going to get some. There we have it, the kitchen. And let's move on to the office. Here we have another mirror. Hello! This is actually my jewelry. I don't know what to call it. Jewelry mirror maybe. And there we have some frames and more straws. Details. We have bags over there. I love to decorate our home with my shoes and bags. Let's continue to our home office, and it looks like this. It's quite small and we have a lot of stuff in here, which I don't really like, but still I feel it's okay. And yeah, that one, I don't know, it's dying. This is new, this bench or side bench, but it's from my childhood home. It used to be my grandmother's and I love it, even though it definitely has its flaws. It looks really crappy, but no, I love it. And this cloth racket is now here. Love it, love this combination, and this you have seen on my YouTube channel as a background. Here we have my standing table. Since I got a lot of problems with my back hurting, I started standing up instead of sitting down when I'm working, and that helped me so much. So I can really recommend you to get a standing table. This is actually just a bar table, but it happens to be the correct height for me, which is perfect. Here are some details I just don't like, but anyways. And some stuff for working. And there we have all my to-do lists. My daily to-do list, my weekly, my monthly or month's to-do list, my calendar. It's for 2020. I don't know why it says 2019. Anyways, this is the office, and I hate this mat, but I'm going to change that as well as soon as the secondhand stores open up again. I actually went by my favorite secondhand store today, and they said that they will open the 3rd of June, so I'm so happy. Then you will start see more secondhand finds here, and of course on my Instagram. So, but okie dokie, and hopefully this will be my last apartment tour from this apartment. We are searching for our own apartment to buy. We haven't found one yet, and I'm not sure how long it will take because I want it to be perfect, and that will take some time. But let's see, hopefully this is my last apartment tour from here. Anyways, hope you like this video. See you in my next video. Have a lovely week.